Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, if you've been around the channel for a long time, you will remember our Iron Man dip we did years ago. My buddy London over from Dip Hawaii had sent me a speed shape that he put together. He put Komodo color flip pearl over a red base, and it created this incredible gold to red flip that mimicked the Iron Man colors. It was a super popular color, lots of people did it, and Gabe and I were thinking the other day, what other superheroes could we use as inspirations for a dip combo? And Gabe had the idea, if we had a blue to red shift, would that be a Spider-Man car? So we started thinking what options we had, and this is a pearl that we've had for a long time. This is a blue interference pearl by my buddy over at Did Spade. It's a really interesting pearl because for an interference, it's extremely small, fine particle. So we think if we do a really light load of the blue interference over a red base, could end up with a Spider-Man flip. It's worth a try. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. Now, there was one thing we had to keep a very close eye on as we went through this one, and that was we wanted to preserve the red in the end result. If we put too much pearl on, it was going to turn into a pink or a fuchsia or a purple car. We wanted it to go from red to blue. So we went with a super low pigment load of 2.5 grams per gallon with the blue interference pearl, and after 3 coats, I think we got it just where we wanted it. We're going to take this car outside for you guys to check it out. I want you to look at it and rate it in the comments below for me from 1 to 5. 1, you're not feeling it at all. 5, you absolutely love it. Does it deserve the term Spider-Man flip? That's for you guys to decide. If you want to dip your own car, we have a ton of colors to choose from. Most of them are super beginner friendly and easy to use. Click right up here. It'll bring you to all of our DIY kits. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. It's Fonzie. I'll see you on the next video. was a red car that had some incredible gold shifts to it, just like Iron Man colors. And Gabe and I were thinking the other day, what other superheroes could we use as inspiration for a car color? And Gabe had the idea, what if we do a blue to red? Forgot the name of the guy already.